Today, we're diving into the final part of our thrilling journey exploring the top 55 attractions in Niagara Falls. Get ready for gourmet experiences, breathtaking adventures, and heart-racing excitement. Let's get started. At number 51, dive into Niagara Falls' rich culinary scene, a blend of global flavors and local specialties. In Canada, savor classics like poutine and ice wine, or enjoy the elegance of AG Inspired Cuisine's farm-to-table dishes. For Italian cuisine, choose between Ponte Vecchio and Casa. Experience unique dining with breathtaking views at the Skylon Tower's Revolving dining room. On the American side, enjoy the romantic atmosphere of Weinkeller, or indulge in aged steaks at the Western Door Steakhouse. At number 52, we're braving the Cave of the Winds. This is your chance to get up close and personal with the falls, wrapped in the embrace of nature's power. Be warned, you will get wet, but it's an unforgettable experience that defines the raw beauty of Niagara Falls. At number 53, after a day of exploration, there's nothing like a fireworks show over the falls. This dazzling display, combined with a laser light show, creates a visual feast that will leave you spellbound. Check out illumination tours on both the Canadian and US sides for the best views. At number 54, feeling brave? Test your limits at the Nightmare's Fear Factory. This isn't your typical haunted house. It's a journey through terror, complete with creepy actors and spine-chilling special effects. Their collection of petrified faces online is proof enough of the frights that await. At number 55, rev up your engines at the Niagara Speedway. It's not just any go-kart track. It's a blend of high-speed kart racing and roller coaster thrills. With a 4-story spiral and 2-tiered ramps, it's Canada's first elevated go-kart track experience. Challenge your friends and family to see who can dominate the track. And there you have it, folks, the grand finale of our top 55 things to do in Niagara Falls. From gourmet dining to adrenaline-pumping adventures, there's something for everyone in this iconic location. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and thrilling destinations. Until next time, keep exploring and creating unforgettable memories.